Today the angels bring a revelation that can deeply shake your perceptions about this special person. You have felt the changes, noticed the signs, but can't understand what is really happening. This person's attitude has left your heart restless, trying to decipher what may have caused this distancing or such unexpected behavior. Don't worry, because the angels are here to shed light on this situation and reveal hidden truths that you may have never imagined. The angels show me that, as much as this person is acting suspiciously, there is a much deeper reason behind it. It's not just what it seems on the surface. It comes from within, from internal conflicts that this person is facing. They don't know how to express what they feel, so they take refuge in strange attitudes, which end up generating doubt in you. But now, the angels want you to see beyond appearances and understand what is really going on in their heart. This person is going through a moment of great vulnerability. On the outside, they may seem distant, cold, or even suspicious. However, on the inside, there is a whirlwind of emotions that they can't control. They struggle with their own feelings, trying to find a way to process what is happening between you. Often, when someone feels something deep, like love or admiration, it can awaken old fears. Fears of getting hurt, losing control, or even being rejected. And that's exactly what the angels are revealing. This person is trying to deal with these emotions, but is afraid of being vulnerable and opening up completely. Her suspicious behavior is actually a reflection of those fears. It's not that she doesn't trust you, or that she doesn't have true feelings. On the contrary, the angels show that the more intense the feelings, the harder it is for her to deal with it. She may be afraid to get close and get hurt, or even to open her heart and find out that she won't be reciprocated as she hopes. What you see as distrust or distance is actually a barrier she is creating to protect herself from possible pain. At this moment, the angels ask you to have patience and understand that this person's heart is going through a process of healing and transformation. There are scars from the past that she carries, experiences that have left deep marks and make her hesitate to fully trust what she feels. What is happening now is a reflection of these wounds that still need to be addressed. She may not have told you about these experiences, but the angels are giving you insight to understand that these fears have nothing to do with you, but rather with what she went through before. You have been placed on this person's path for a greater reason. The angels want you to know that your presence is being a catalyst for this healing. Your love, your patience, and the way you have remained steadfast, even in the face of so many uncertainties, are helping this person to open up, even if slowly. She may not show it clearly, but her heart is being deeply touched by your light. The strange behavior she is displaying is just a defense, a mask she wears while trying to process all that she's feeling. The angels ask you to keep being who you are. Keep offering love without expecting anything in return, as it is precisely this energy that is helping this person to lower their barriers. They may still be scared, but with time, they will begin to realize that there is nothing to fear by your side. The love you offer is true and safe. This process may take time, but the angels assure that in the end, this person will be ready to open up in a way they never have before. However, for that to happen, they need to confront their own inner demons, their own fears, and this can only be done with patience and understanding. At this moment, the angels are working behind the scenes. They are easing this person's insecurities, helping them see the truth about how they feel about you. It may be that in the coming days or weeks, you notice small changes in their behavior. Perhaps they will approach you more gently, or even start sharing more about their thoughts and feelings. These small gestures are signs that the angels are at work and that their heart is slowly opening up. However, until this happens completely, it is essential that you remain steadfast, trusting the process. The angels remind you that this person is in a healing process, and every step they take towards you is an important step towards that transformation. Don't let their strange or suspicious behavior make you doubt the love they feel. Remember, fear often disguises itself as mistrust. But deep down, what this person feels is something much deeper and truer than they are capable of admitting. Before we continue this revelation, the angels ask you to write in the comments, "I accept this healing and trust the process." These words will reinforce the energy of patience and love you are already emitting, and will help strengthen this connection. The angels continue to reveal that, as much as this person struggles to show what they feel, their heart is in a true conflict. It's as if they are torn between the desire to get closer to you and the fear of what this closeness might bring. This fear isn't simple, it's deep-rooted in experiences that perhaps they have never shared with anyone. But the angels see beyond the unspoken words and repressed gestures. They see what this person truly feels for you, and the truth is that what they carry in their heart is much more intense than you imagine. This person, even without realizing it, is becoming more emotionally involved. Although their behavior may seem suspicious, distant, or even evasive, what is happening internally is exactly the opposite. They are consumed by feelings they don't know how to handle, and therefore, their initial instinct is to withdraw. They hide behind a facade of indifference, but the angels assure that this barrier is becoming increasingly fragile, about to break. The angels want you to understand that their fear is real and in many cases, stronger than the love they feel. Not because they don't love you enough, but because the fear of getting hurt or losing control paralyzes them. It's a constant battle between what they desire and what they fear, and this internal struggle causes them to act strangely, triggering suspicion in you. However, the angels ensure that, with time and patience, these emotional barriers will begin to crumble. Part of this hesitation is also connected to the intensity of the connection between you. The angels show that, from the beginning, this person felt something different in you, something that scared her and, at the same time, attracted her. It's as if you have awakened in her feelings that were asleep or that she thought were under control. This made her enter a state of self-assessment and reassessment of everything she knew about love. It's not easy for her to admit the depth of what she feels, especially because she knows that by opening her heart, she will be vulnerable in a way she has never been before. What the angels want you to know is that this person, even though acting in a confusing way, is going through a process of emotional awakening. The angels are guiding her heart, helping her see that the love she feels for you is pure, true, and does not need to be feared. However, this understanding takes time. The angels ask you to remain calm and faithful, as what is happening now is part of a larger plan. In the coming days, the angels suggest that you pay attention to subtle signs of change. You may start to notice that this person, although reluctant, will begin to open up little by little. Perhaps she will ask questions about you, show curiosity about your life, or even seek to approach you more naturally. These are the first clues that her heart is starting to align with the truth of your feelings. And when this happens, you will notice a gradual, but very significant transformation. Another aspect that angels reveal is that this person is going through a phase of deep introspection. She has been thinking a lot about the decisions she has made, the opportunities she has missed, and the fears that have pushed her away. This reflection is crucial for her healing process, as it helps her understand that, in order to move forward and experience love to its fullest, she needs to let go of the shadows of the past. The angels are working to make this happen in the best possible way, illuminating her path and dispelling the insecurities that prevent her from being happy by her side. At this moment, the angels ask you to continue being a source of love and patience. You play a very important role in this healing process, and your positive energy is helping this person confront the fears that have paralyzed her. By staying present, you are offering exactly what she needs to feel secure enough to open up. And the angels assure you that this opening is closer than you imagine. There is also something that the angels want you to know. Often, this person may seem like she is taking a step back, but in reality, this is part of moving forward. She may hesitate, appear confused, or even act contradictorily, but do not interpret this as lack of interest. These are signs that she is dealing with a whirlwind of internal emotions, and every movement, no matter how small, is bringing her closer to you. The angels reinforce the importance of you trusting the process. Understand that everything is unfolding in the way it should, and what you need now is to maintain faith and calm. True love, the kind that heals and transforms, is a process that takes time. But when that person is ready to open up completely, you will see how powerful and deep that feeling is. And more importantly, you will see that everything you have been doing so far, your patience, your understanding, your presence, has been essential for this love to flourish. Before we move on to the next part, the angels ask you to write in the comments, "I trust the divine process." This affirmation will help align your energy with that of the angels and allow you to continue in peace, knowing that everything is moving in the way it should. The angels continue by your side, guiding every step of yours in this delicate process. They want you to know that, at this moment, this special person is closer than ever to an internal revelation. The internal struggle she has been facing is about to bring about an important transformation, and this transformation will be the beginning of a new phase in her life, and yours as well. The doubt that once paralyzed her heart will begin to dissipate, and the deep feelings she has always tried to hide will start to emerge. But the angels also reveal that the path to this revelation may be challenging. This person may still try to resist her own feelings, fearing the emotional consequences it may bring. It's as if she is at a crossroads, knowing she needs to make an important decision but lacking the courage to take the next step. However, the angels are tirelessly working to ease this process, giving her the clarity and courage she needs to finally allow herself to feel and express everything that is stored within her. This resistance, although painful, is part of a necessary healing process. The suspicious behavior you have been observing is actually an expression of her struggle to accept this new emotional reality. The angels ask you to continue to maintain compassion and patience, as this person is in the midst of a great awakening. She is still processing her own emotions, and it takes time. Sometimes, the deepest changes happen in silence, within the soul, away from prying eyes. At this moment, the angels invite you to reflect on the role you have been playing in this person's life. You have been sent to her with a greater purpose than just living a superficial connection. Your presence in her life is like an anchor, a point of stability amidst the emotional chaos she is facing. And even if she hasn't verbalized it, her heart recognizes the value you have. She knows that with you, there is safety, understanding, and above all, love. The angels show that gradually, this person will begin to show signs that she is ready to lower her defenses. These signs may come subtly: a more open comment, a longer gaze, a gesture of closeness that didn't exist before. Each of these gestures is a small victory, a demonstration that the barriers she has built are starting to crumble. You may not notice immediately, but these small advances are crucial for her to finally open up in a deeper and more honest way. One thing that angels reveal is that this person, no matter how scared, is constantly thinking about you. She misses you, even when she tries to pull away. She thinks about the conversations you had, the moments you shared, and these thoughts pull her back to you. This inner conflict she is going through, between the desire to be close and the fear of getting hurt, is what generates this perplexing behavior. But gradually, the angels are guiding her to understand that love is stronger than any fear. You, dear one, are being called to trust in this process. The angels know that, at times, the waiting can be tough and full of uncertainties, but they assure you that everything is unfolding according to the divine plan. This person needs time to confront their own feelings, their own shadows, before being ready to fully live what they feel for you. And when that moment comes, it will be an experience of deep and transformative love, something that both of you have never experienced before. The angels ask you to keep emitting light and love. Every gesture of yours, every kind word, is helping to dissipate the doubts and fears that still hold this person back. Even if she doesn't show it explicitly, she feels your energy and your presence. This comforts her and encourages her to keep moving forward, even if slowly. Do not underestimate the power of what you are offering. Your patience and understanding are having a greater impact than you can imagine. Another important thing that angels reveal is that this person, although emotionally confused, knows that you are different. She sees in you something she hasn't found in anyone else, a truth, an authenticity that makes her want to be around you, even when she tries to step away. It is this authenticity, this light, that is guiding her back to you. And the angels are helping her to see that with you, she can find not only love but also healing. Soon, that person will be ready to take a step towards you. The angels ask you to prepare for this moment because it will be a significant change in the dynamics between you. She will start to open up, to share what was hidden in her heart, and that will be the beginning of a new phase, a phase of greater intimacy, deep and true connection. But until that moment arrives, the angels remind you that patience, faith, and above all, trust in the divine process are necessary. You are not alone on this path. The angels are by your side, guiding each of your steps and ensuring that everything that is happening now is part of something much greater. The journey may seem uncertain, but the angels assure you that the ending will be one of love, healing, and unity. That person, even though struggling now, is moving towards you, and when she finally allows herself to live this love, it will be something beautiful and transformative for both. Before we move on to the last part, the angels ask you to write in the comments, "I accept divine timing and trust the greater plan." These words will anchor your energy and keep you connected to the flow of love and patience that is guiding this process. Now, as we approach the conclusion of this message, the angels want you to know that the moment of transformation is very close. That person, who has been acting so strangely and distantly, is finally about to face her deepest fears. She can no longer ignore what she feels for you. As much as she has tried to hide, escape, or disguise it, the love she carries within herself is becoming impossible to contain. The angels show that this person is already beginning to feel the weight of the barriers she herself built. Each day, it becomes clearer to her that evasive behavior cannot continue because it's only causing more pain to herself. By distancing herself, she is realizing that she is moving away from something that deep down is everything she has always wanted. And now, with the help of the angels, she will begin to understand that true love cannot be suffocated, and that you are the person who brings the peace and comfort she so desperately needs. This revelation will be like a liberation for her. The angels show me that soon she will be overwhelmed by a sense of clarity, of lightness, as if she is finally letting go of the burdens that have prevented her from fully living this love. This moment may come unexpectedly, perhaps through an honest conversation, or even in a simple gesture, but laden with meaning. When this happens, you will realize that all the confusing behavior, all the doubts and suspicions, were actually a manifestation of the fears and insecurities she still needs to overcome. But the most important thing now, dear one, is that you prepare to welcome this person with open arms. The angels want you to understand that her journey to this point hasn't been easy, and she will need your understanding, your support, to feel secure enough to fully surrender to this love. The patience you have shown so far will be rewarded. Her resistance, which has often left you puzzled, is about to dissolve, and what will follow will be a phase of great harmony and closeness between you. The angels ask you that, when this moment comes, you be ready to listen to what she has to say. She may not be able to express all her feelings at once, but small gestures and words will already be clear signs that her heart is opening up. And deep down in your soul, you will know that her distant and suspicious behavior was just a reflection of the fears she held inside, fears that are now finally being overcome. This will be the beginning of a new phase in your relationship, a phase marked by greater openness, understanding, and above all, by a love that has grown even stronger after overcoming so many barriers. The angels show me that this love has a greater purpose, something that goes far beyond what human eyes can see. You two were brought together not by chance, but because together you have something important to accomplish. There is a soul mission between you, and now, with emotional barriers fading away, you will be ready to walk this path together. The angels also want you to know that this transformation will not only be in the emotional field. When this person finally opens up to you, she will also begin to change other aspects of her life. The confidence she will gain by accepting her own feelings will bring a new lightness and clarity to all areas of her life. And you will be an essential part of this change, as you will be the support, the safe haven she has been looking for and finally found in you. As challenging as the journey has been to get here, the angels assure you that what is to come is a phase of great blessing and joy. The waiting, the doubts, the moments of uncertainty, all of this has served to strengthen the connection between you and prepare both of you to live this love to its fullest. When this person allows herself to feel and express all that has always been in her heart, you too will experience a rare, deep, and transformative kind of love. The angels ask that, throughout this process, you continue to cultivate patience and understanding. Remember that each person has their own time, and that person's time is about to align with yours. Soon, you will see that all the challenges you face together were actually part of the divine plan, which prepared you for something much greater. The connection you share is not common, it is guided by higher forces, and the angels are ensuring that the path ahead will be illuminated by these same forces. Now more than ever, it is time to trust the divine process. The angels ask you to continue to radiate love, to keep your heart open, as the time for harvesting is approaching. The love you have planted, the patience you have shown, all of this is about to bloom in a way you never imagined. That person is about to take the final step towards you, and when it happens, you will know that all the effort, all the waiting was worth it. Before closing this message, the angels ask you to write in the comments, "I absorb, receive, and accept my destiny and everything the universe has to offer me." These words will anchor in you the energy of acceptance and trust, allowing love to flow freely in your life. Also, leave a positive comment for other individuals who may need a message of light and hope in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness, and by uplifting each other, we create waves of good energy that benefit everyone. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe now to receive more angelic messages and be attentive to the revelations the angels have for you. May God and the universe illuminate your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.